Welcome to the first week of Repair Tag. I want to show you some of the interesting instruments that we worked on this week. This week was a little heavy on saxophones. First we have this fabulous old Selmer. I'm working on a 1935 Selmer early Balanced Action and doing a complete mechanical restoration on it, getting down to the end of everything. After completing the complete mechanical restoration on the old Selmer, I had the opportunity to work on this slide I created for a client a couple years ago. I added a water key, but the slide is for changing the key of his Bach Strad trumpet from B flat to A. Then I had the pleasure of working on this beautiful old King Super 20 Silver Sonic alto sax. That fantastic patina has the silver bell and neck. It also has the pinky pearls, which is just such a great setup. So doing a little play condition work on this, bringing this back to life so the player can use it on gigs coming up here. Next, I got to work on this. This is a neat piece I get to work on this week. It is circa 1875 Jerome Thibouville-Lamy soprano sax. Very simplified, but a very, very cool specimen. Now for a real treat. Mark Tulga is test playing his early Balanced Action Selmer after the complete mechanical restoration. Thanks for watching, and check in next week for this week's Repair Tag.